So to add self-employment income on TurboTax, first thing first, you want to click on this federal button at the left side of your screen, then click on Wages and Income just below it. Now you want to choose on Wages and Income Summary, which will take you to this page, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see Self-Employment section, then click on it and hit on Start button. On this page, you may just scroll down. Then hit the Yes button. Right here, you may insert your type of self-employment, and if you have more than one self-employment work, you want to insert the other's work on different form than this. So make sure to add it one by one. For example, I have two types of self-employment, a video editor and as babysitter. Then on this first form, I got to add the video editor first. After that, click on Continue button. Then TurboTax will ask you some question regarding your self-employment work. You may answer it according to the work that you do. I'm going to answer it according myself, so feel free to skip this part. The only important thing is to answer the question suitably so TurboTax can help you to filing the taxes. Until you reaching this window, which basically contain all the info from TurboTax question beforehand, you may edit them as you like if there are anything that's not suitable yet for you. After you are good with all the information, you may click on Looks Good button at the bottom right of the screen. And here is the crucial part where you have to input the income that you got. For me is what income do I got from the prior year as a video editor. If you ever felt unsure on what form that you should fill in, you may click on every question mark besides every form to check on what type of form are more suitable for you. For example, since I got the payment from my client in cash, then I'm going to choose on Other Self-Employed Income, then hit on Continue button at the bottom right of the screen. Right here, you may insert the type of income that you receive and the amount of money that you got. If you receive two types of income, for example, cash and check, then for now you got to insert the cash first and adding a check later. For example, I will type for cash money in the amount of $3,000, then hit on Continue button. And there you go. Now I have succeeded inserting my self-employment income that came from cash. Here, if you want to add another income from the same job, for me it's another income form, a video editor. I got to insert it again. Either way, to make a VID shorter for you, I'm going to choose No and hit the Continue button. Here are also the crucial part. In order to reduce your taxes, it is best for you to input the expenses like electricity bill, your rent, and so on. I also do recommend you to watch their video to have a better understanding. Either way, click on Continue button. Here you may connecting your bank account for TurboTax to read your transactions. It's fully up to your liking. However, I do feel more safe to just typing in my expenses rather than connecting the bank account. So I'm going to choose on Type in my expenses here. Here you may choose the choice that's suitable for you and hit on Continue or just skip the question. On here, just scroll down and click on Get Started. On this Add Category section, you may checkmark all the expenses that you did before and click on Continue button at the bottom right of the screen to go on the next section. Right here, TurboTax will help you add another expenses that you might miss, so you can just answer the questions for yourself. Then hit Keep Going button at the bottom right of the screen. On this window, you may input the number of the expenses by clicking on the pencil icon or delete it by clicking on Trash icon. And then after you are done inserting expenses, you may scroll down and see all the info that you just inserted before. You can edit them if you feel like it. After you are good, click on Continue button at the bottom right of the page. Again, click on Continue button. Here you can choose on which more suitable for you and click on Continue button again. Again, pick the choice that you suit and click Continue. I'm going to pick No and Continue. Then click on Run My Free Check. On here, TurboTax will let you know if there are anything that's not look good in your information. Make sure to check on them, and after that, hit the Continue button. Here you may insert your second self-employment work. For example, if I want to add my second job as the babysitter, I'm going to choose on Yes, but I might as well do it later, so just hit on Continue. Tap on Continue again, and then click on Done button. There you go. You just added the self-employment income on TurboTax. Your line of work will be shown here on Wages and Income Summary. If you still have any question, just comment down below, and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.